Cloud computing is a form of distributed computing. Cloud computing is internet-based technology. Cloud computing is a 543 formula, 5 characteristics, 4 infrastructure models, and 3 services. Cloud computing architecture is a structure which comprises the software and hardware components and connections among them. Virtualization is the ability to perform multiple tasks in a single system with the help of virtualization technologies like VMware hypervisor, Zen virtual iron. And security is a major problem, and still R&D is ongoing in cloud security in order to increase the cloud security. Salesforce.com is a cloud, comes under software as a service cloud, and Google AppEngine cloud comes under platform as a service cloud, and MS-Azure is a platform as a service cloud. And cloud computing plays vital role, and the backbone for cloud computing is a data center and virtualization. Data center uh, uh, is a collection of high integrated servers at one place, is called data center. And virtualization is a ability to perform multiple tasks in a single system, to perform various kinds of applications by using VMware, hypervisor, Zen, virtual iron, etc. This is about cloud computing concept.